Everyone today is struggling with some kind of health issue. Maybe it's migraine, maybe asthma. For some it's stomach troubles, for others fatty liver or arthritis. Many people silently live with digestive discomfort, bloating, constant tiredness, or joint pain, and they begin to believe this is just how aging works. But what if I told you there's one single routine that can set your body on a path where every cell begins to heal itself naturally? If you're curious, stay with me, and if you haven't already, make sure you hit subscribe because on Dr. Kade Health Initiative, we uncover truths that break myths and spread health awareness. You might wonder, but if our body has the full capacity to repair damaged tissues, reverse inflammation, and recycle what is broken into something new, then why doesn't it happen for most of us? Why do we keep accumulating illnesses? Here's the hidden truth. The body cannot heal when all its energy is constantly busy digesting food. Every time we eat, especially when we eat too frequently or snack all day, digestion takes priority. Instead of repairing tissues, balancing hormones, or fighting inflammation, the body is stuck in round-the-clock food processing. This is why people who eat all day often feel sluggish, gain belly fat, and keep seeing their blood sugar creep up year after year. Their body never gets a pause. That's where this one routine comes in. The concept is called autophagy. Think of it as your body's built-in recycling system. It's a natural process where your body identifies damaged cells, misfolded proteins, broken cell walls, and even precancerous changes, and then breaks them down. The raw material is reused to build healthier cells, renew your mitochondria, and strengthen your immune system. But here's the catch. Autophagy only starts when your stomach is empty. If you're constantly eating, snacking, or sipping high-calorie drinks, your body never gets the signal to turn on this powerful healing mechanism. So, when should you eat to give your body a chance to heal? Your meal timing must work with your circadian rhythm. Nature designed us to rise with the sun, stay active in the daylight, and rest at night. Our digestive enzymes are at their peak in the morning, which means your first meal of the day should not be delayed until noon. Instead, begin your day by drinking a cup of warm water right after waking up. This clears your digestive tract and prepares your stomach. Especially when lukewarm water taken before brushing your teeth, it adds on all the beneficial bacterial from your mouth to stomach, which helps in better digestion and killing other harmful microbes, for example H. pylori in the stomach. Then, you should preferably do some house chores, doing some morning walk or exercise, getting ready for your office or checking important emails, and later on after 2 to 3 hours you should take your breakfast. Within those 2 to 3 hours you can take your daily supplements or take some lemon water or soothing teas like ginger or chamomile tea. And here's the important part. Make that breakfast balanced and nutrient-rich. Include high-quality protein like eggs, lentils, or yogurt. Add whole grains, healthy fats like nuts or seeds, and fruits or vegetables. This strong breakfast gives you steady energy, stabilizes blood sugar, and prevents mid-morning cravings. After that, your second and last meal should be your early dinner. Finish your dinner at least 3 to 4 hours before sleep, and ideally before sunset. If you sleep at 10 p.m., aim for dinner by 6 or 7 p.m. And once you've had that dinner, nothing else afterwards. No snacks, no fruit, no milk, no desserts. After dinner, your body needs to rest, not digest. In this way, you will get about 14 to 16 hours fasting with an intermittent window of 8 to 6 hours. Now, you can nourish your body within this feeding window and your body can self-heal from all the diseases you might have. So, I know what you might be thinking. What if I feel hungry again after eating early? This is very common in the first week. The body is used to late-night snacking, so breaking this habit feels uncomfortable at first. Your body takes about 4 weeks to adapt to these eating changes. Also, your hormones will be balanced in the same period. Here's what you can do. Drink a glass of warm water with a pinch of pink salt or a squeeze of lemon. Sometimes thirst feels like hunger. Sip calming herbal teas like chamomile or peppermint. These relax your body and reduce cravings. If it's very difficult, you can take a small glass of warm milk, but don't make it a nightly routine. Let your body gradually adapt, or you can take nuts sometimes that won't have any bad impact on your health. Within just a few days, your hunger hormones start to reset. Those 11 p.m. cravings will fade, and you'll realize you didn't need that extra snack after all. But to make this work, there's one golden rule: no snacking between meals. This is the biggest mistake people make when they try intermittent fasting. Every time you snack, you switch off autophagy. Your body has to go back to digestion mode. Instead, focus on having just 2 complete meals, your balanced breakfast and your early dinner. When these meals are nutrient-dense and filling, your body won't need snacks. So what are the results when you follow this 2-meal routine? Your sleep deepens because your stomach is light at bedtime. Your risk of heart disease lowers as your cholesterol and blood pressure balance. Your digestive system strengthens and bloating reduces. Belly fat melts away. Fatty liver begins to reverse. Inflammation calms down, joint pain eases, and you wake up with a new kind of energy flowing through your day. This is why fasting and intermittent fasting are so powerful, because they connect directly with autophagy. And remember, fasting is not about starving yourself. It's about timing your meals in a way that allows your body to use its own intelligence to heal. It's about creating space for repair, not just more consumption. If you're watching this video till now, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with someone you care about, someone who's been struggling with their health. Leave a comment if you have any questions about intermittent fasting. And if you like this one, you may also enjoy the video I did on healing your gut naturally, where I explain how to reset your digestive health step by step. Remember, your body already has the ability to heal. All it needs is for you to give it the space to do so.